Uy.
Welcome back to our new game show here in the Philippines, the Message Nursing
Quiz, quiz.
So we have three categories here. We have the easy category
The average.
and the difficult category. First is we have the easy category, which consists of three questions.
And the second is the average category, which consists of 5 questions. Right.
And we have the third category, which consists of the 10 questions. And our winner will receive the flats. First is we have the easy category. Gory. We have two contestants here.
The first contestant is James, who's sleeping. I don't know what he's sleeping.
Please press your buzzer now. Please press your button. Hey, you press your button.
Okay, second.
And our second contestant is Miss Bia Basetas, a fourth-year high school student of Columban College.
Pag ako naglobot mamaya.
And our third contestant is Hanimi.
Pirated.
We will come back after short messages for the question and answer portion. And remember, we have the easy category.
The average and the difficult.
We will come back here in our new game show host. Here the Message Nursing